In this Ignite review, I'm going to be showing you a system that's going to allow you to profit from the products and softwares that you already own from a guy that's already made over $3.6 million. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Ignite, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of special bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link, including some past softwares, easy review videos, easy magic video. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's look at the sales page here together. It says $500 profit the very first day you use the system from products you already own. Copy the exact formula of a $3.6 million marketer and unlock the fastest and easiest way to make money with any product you already own and more than 40 plus top-selling JVZoo products. Unlock every tool, technique, and training you need to make your product investments finally pay out here. So essentially, it's a system that's going to allow you to take the stuff that you already own and make money from it, so you don't have to go out and buy a bunch of other stuff here. Wouldn't you like to get these kind of results here? So these are results that people are already getting: $1,999, $1,000, $500, $394. And I know Matt, he's been making a lot of money online for years now, and he always puts out really good systems of teaching people how to do this. And he gives you softwares to do it as well here. So let me go down here a little bit. It has different includes additional resources for you, extra bonuses that are added in here, tons of extra stuff, including their Easy Magic Video and Easy Review Video software, all included on the front end offer. And this is a really low one-time price for all of this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you over and show you a really quick demo video of Matt walking you through the system, and then I'll be back to show you the OTOs.
Hi, my name is Matt Bush, and I'm the creator of Ignite. In this brief video, I'll be giving you a behind-the-scenes look at the members area. Alright, so the first thing you'll notice is that everything is really easy to find. This right here is the core training. It's where I go through my special secret formula that'll show you how to start profiting from all the software that you've already bought. You'll be able to use this information to sell anything digital. It's how I succeeded in my own multi-million-dollar business. And this is where you'll find the extra special modules that we created for over 40 of the most recent top-selling JVZoo softwares and systems. If you own any of these products, you'll be able to benefit from the specific training that I have for each of these. Plus, you'll also find tons of other resources for these products, including things like swipes to sell, video commercials, and more. And don't forget, you'll also be getting access to some very special bonuses. You'll be receiving our top-selling softwares, Easy Magic Video and Easy Review Videos, so you can make your own stunning video commercials and then sell them using the Ignite formula. Plus, you'll be getting other bonuses, including top-level additional secrets that are going to make all of this even easier for you. You can learn more right on this page.
So again, here's the backend area that you're going to have access to with all the different training, how to set everything up and get started with this. But of course, there are upgrades. There are OTOs here. So the first one here says make more profits and sell more services when you go pro with a complete done-for-you agency website, complete with all the niches featured in Ignite. So this gives you an agency website with this. You're going to have more opportunities to make money with this. An expertly designed website ready to go, a main sales agency page, plus they give you pages to sell all the services for any product, any niche, including all these different niches here, all included in one one-time offer here. So that's the first one. The next one here is make maximum coin from a $135 billion industry and ignite your profits from all your video products, including the two I gave you with Ignite, by getting all the video resources you will ever need instantly. So it includes $10,000 plus of profitable, if I can speak, video templates, royalty-free video clips, and over 20,000 real-life spokesperson videos. So this one here, I always like to show you the price, $47 for this. And the last one, get the direct dial of your own $3.6 million Ignite coach, plus every tool, training, and lead you need to maximize your profits and create a sustainable business for life. So this is a $97 one, and you're going to have just more of an advantage to be able to make money with this. Now, all of this is 100% optional. You can pick and choose which ones you want and which ones you don't. So what do I like about Ignite and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's a little bit traditional internet marketing type sales page, talking about a $3.6 million marketer. It's selling up the fact that he's a profitable marketer. Just because he's made $3.6 million doesn't mean you're going to make that. Just know that he's very successful with this, but even if you were able to copy some of his success, it would probably be worth it. What do I like about this? Matt is a very successful marketer. He knows what he's doing. He puts out good software and good courses. If you're looking to find a way of making some extra money online, then this could definitely be an option. Thank you so much for checking out my review. If you want to check out Ignite, go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.